Welcome to the fascinating world of colored flame shooters. Today, we'll explore the science behind these vibrant displays. First, let's look at the tools and materials needed. Notice the gloves and fire extinguishers, essential for safety. Here we see the fire extinguishers being prepared. Each one is filled with a different chemical to produce various colors. Watch closely as the first colored flame is shot. The vibrant hues are a result of specific chemical reactions. In slow motion, we can see the beautiful transition of colors. This is due to the different chemicals reacting with the flame. Let's break down the science. When certain chemicals burn, they emit light at specific wavelengths, creating different colors. For example, strontium chloride produces a red flame, while copper chloride results in a blue-green flame. Safety is paramount. Always wear protective gear and conduct these experiments in a controlled environment. Here, we see the final demonstration of all the colored flames together. It's a mesmerizing sight. Remember, understanding the science behind these reactions makes the experience even more enjoyable. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and always prioritize safety in your experiment.